Let's do the summing up. India is located in the continent of Asia. To the north of India lies the Himalayas mountain range. The rest of India is surrounded by the three water bodies, the Bay of Bengal in the east, the ocean in the south, and the Arabian Sea in the west. These form the four natural boundaries of India. India has a variety of natural features like mountains, hills, plains, desert, plateaus, coastlines, and islands. Next, India is the seventh largest country in the world and has the second largest population in the world. Next, India is a land of diverse customs, foods, languages, and cultures. India is run by a government chosen by the people of the country. Next, the capital of India is New Delhi. Next, this is wrong. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Now exploring new words. Country, an area of land that has its own government. Mountain range, a series of mountains. Island, a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Landforms, natural shapes and features of the earth like mountains, hills, plains, and so on. Mountains, a rocky mass of land that rises very high above the ground. Plateau, a highland with a flat top. Desert, a dry area that receives almost no rainfall. Plain, a large expanse of flat land. Coastline, the area where land meets the sea and ocean, also known as coast. River, a large stream of water flowing into the sea, a lake, or another river. Diversity, the great deal of variety. Government, a group of people who run a country. Elected, chosen through voting. National capital, the city where the government of a country is located. Let's complete this exercise. 1. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. India is located in the continent of Asia. Number 2. Vast area of almost flat land are called plain. Number 3. The big desert in the northwest of India is called Thar Desert. Next is the largest state of India, that is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Next, the capital of Jammu and Kashmir in winter is Jammu. Number 2. Choose the correct answer. 1. The Himalayas lies on India's A. South, B. East, C. West, and D. North. The correct option is D. North. The Himalayas lies on India's north. Number 2. A highland with a flat top is called A. a plateau, B. an island, C. a plain, D. a mountain. Option A is correct. A highland with a flat top is called a plateau. Number 3. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Option C is correct. Number 4. This is not a union territory. A. Hyderabad, B. Chandigarh, C. Puducherry, D. New Delhi. So, Chandigarh, Puducherry are the union territories. Hyderabad is not a union territory. So, option A is correct. Number 3. Match the following. Here some states and here some capitals. So, match these. What is the capital of Assam? That is Dispur. So, first match with D. And what is the capital of Gujarat? The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Number 2, match with C. Number 3, Meghalaya. What is the capital of Meghalaya? That is Shillong. Match with E. Number 4, Chhattisgarh. What is the capital of Chhattisgarh? That is Raipur. Match with A. Number 5, Haryana. What is the capital of Haryana? That is Chandigarh. Match with B. Number 4. Answer the following question. Number 1. What is a desert? Name a desert in India. A desert is a dry area that receives almost no rainfall. The Thar is a desert in India. Number 2. What is a mountain? Mountains are rocky landforms that rise very high above the ground. Number 3. What is the government? Who choose the government in India? The government is a group of people who take care of the needs of all the people of the country. The government in India chosen by the people of India. Number 4. What is the difference between a state and the union territory? The union territory are the area ruled by directly the central government, whereas states have their own elected government. Number 5. Name the 2 island union territories in India. The 2 island union territories in India are Andaman Nicobar Island and second the Lakshadweep. 5th, answer the following question in a paragraph. Number 1. Describe in detail the location of India. India is a country located in southern part of the continent of Asia. To the north of India lies the Himalayas mountain range. The rest of India is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Indian Ocean, the south, and the Arabian Sea in the west. These form the 4 natural boundaries of India. Number 2. Write about the natural features of India. India has a variety of natural features like mountains, hills, plains, desert, plateaus, coastlines and island. Number 3. What are the 3 levels of government of India? Explain in detail. The 3 levels of government in India are: number 1. The central government takes care the needs of the entire country. It works from New Delhi. Number 2. The state government takes care of needs of the states. Number 3. The local government takes care of the needs of the people living in the villages, cities and towns. 6. Map work. Cross this question. So here your FA2 syllabus has completed. That is it for today. We will continue in next video with next chapter. Thank you and take care.